Did you ever feel like your watercolors look dull and flat, while others seem to glow with that crisp, radiant vibe? The secret is not in expensive paints. It's in the layering. In this video, I'm revealing how to layer your watercolors the right way to get bold, vibrant results without overworking your painting. Let's fix those muddy messes for good. Let's start with the most important step, drying time. If you layer too soon, the pigments bleed together, creating unwanted blends and dulling your colors. Watercolor is patient, and it rewards patience. You've probably heard about transparent versus opaque pigments, but here's why it matters. Transparent colors glow when layered. Opaques can dull the layer beneath. Learning to control water is the difference between frustration and flow. Think of your brush like a sponge. You don't want it dripping, but you also don't want it dry and scratchy. If you want vibrancy and depth, don't blend, just glaze. Blending mixes everything at once, while glazing builds layers like stained glass, letting the colors underneath shine through. Which of these layering secrets was a game changer for you? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more watercolor magic. Remember, mud happens, but with the right techniques, your colors can shine like never before. Now, go layer like a pro.